Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I prepared for you the best tips for investing into crypto. I prepared for you the way how you can make actually money and what is my advice for people who are beginning when investing into crypto. So let's just start, and I will try to make this video as much informative as possible. I'm been investing into crypto for about like 5 years right now, but mostly I'm a stocks guy and ETF, but some people asked for this video, so I'm making it. Now, the first thing first, I prepared for you. The first advice is that do your own research. Don't trust Reddit. Many people, they see some coin be shilled on Reddit that, oh my god, this new coin is so good, so epic. But when you see on like the CEOs or the people who are like working on that company with that coin, you see that, okay, it's a little bit scammy. So what you should do is actually go on LinkedIn, go on Google and analyze, search how many coins they have. Also, is it crypto good? Is it actually valuable? And invest into those that you really believe in. This is damn so important. Just actually look it up, only because there's so much information and you never know that if the information you actually read on Reddit is being a paid sponsorship, because it was happening mainly in the past. Right now I think it's happening too, that they're going to like pay, I don't know, 100 bots and they're going to spam the coin. So that's what's happening right now. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind, that do your own research. And this is combined with another advice I have for you, is to actually don't invest everything all at once. What do I mean? So let's say that you're gonna have $10,000 prepared that you want to buy crypto, buy some altcoins, right? What you should do is that you should invest on a monthly basis. I know this will sound strange, but when I see that people, they are going to like all in into one coin at one time, that's so damn risky. If you really believe in project, you need to diversify your risk. So what you're gonna do, let's say that I believe in Ethereum. So Ethereum is like 1,200 euro right now, so there's like 1,400. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to invest $10,000 straight away into it. No, I will invest only $1,000. Now, when it's going to drop to 1,000, I'm going to invest another 1,000, only because I believe in that coin. 700, I don't care. I invest the gain. The more down it goes, the more I'm going to invest. And that's how I act. That's how I make money. So this is something you should definitely keep in mind, and this is what I recommend for you to do. Invest systematically. Create a strategy and hold into it. Most people just gonna invest everything all at once, and it's really risky, and I don't recommend doing that. Now, the second thing I prepared for you is to have your own wallet for your coins. I wouldn't recommend having a wallet if you're gonna have, I don't know, a value of $300, like for example on Binance. I have, you can see clearly, $1,650. I'm not really going to put that into wallet, because even when someone would hack my account, I'm like, whatever, right? Like, okay. But if someone would, let's say if I would have like 40K here in that, I don't know if I would have it on Binance personally. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind, that if you get a lot of money, use wallet, definitely. Now, trustworthy broker, exchange broker, I recommend using Binance. This is another tip I have for you, is to Binance. I've used Binance for like 5 years right now. If you're gonna use the link down below in the description, you're gonna save 5% more money on fees. So it's much better comparing to Coinbase or Coinbase Pro, lower fees. But on every single platform, the customer support is not that great. So what I would recommend for you to do is to use Binance, buy the crypto and get a, I don't know, ladder or some kind of hardware, the wallet that you can like put your money in and just keep it safe. So that's what I would recommend for you to do. Then the fourth advice I prepared for you is to invest to something that you can, like, only invest whatever you can lose. Don't invest money that you can't afford to lose, but don't invest your emergency fund. What I see also a lot of times, plenty of people have like 2K on their account and they're going to invest everything only because they believe that they're going to win. Don't do it. It's really risky. I don't recommend doing that. and like it will put you on a pressure. You want to be calm. This is like when I show you like my estimate balance 1,650 euro. I don't really care if I lose it, only because I know that I get thousands of and like tens of thousands of dollars on my bank account. And for me, if I lose this, whatever. But still, if it's going to be like 10K, I'll probably put it on my hardware, like definitely. But until that, like I don't mind the hustle, you know. So, but that's me. That's how I'm willing to risk it. And I'm being on Binance for a really long time, and everything was safe. When you get a two-factor, you don't share anywhere your email. It should be good. Now to go further, even the next thing I prepared for you is to invest in stocks. And now this will sound really strange, but what you should do, in my opinion, if you're gonna make money on crypto, invest to ETFs, invest into stocks, go to real world, not just crypto world, and diversify your risk. So let's say I'm going to make a lot of money on crypto and altcoins. 30% of that I would just put immediately into stocks. Also, my recommendation is don't go all in into altcoins. Hold something in stable coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. Just stable coins are much better in long-term hold. And just like, but if you want to risk, you can risk. I like to risk too. I mean, like whatever. I even pick stocks that are risky, but I don't invest into penny stocks. And I always research those that I want to invest in. So that's my recommendation for you that you should do, and that's what's effective in long term. So to summarize this whole video, do your own research. Don't trust Reddit. I see plenty of people are going to like trust Reddit, and it's like really risky. Also invest on monthly basis or weekly. Don't invest everything all at once. Hold the responsibility for your own coins. Have your own hardware wallet. Don't trust even not the trustworthy crypto exchanges. Have a trustworthy broker like Binance. Then only invest whatever you can lose. This is really important. Then invest in stocks. That's also my recommendation. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, I hope this video was kind of at least helpful. It gave you some advice what you should do and how you should act about in this crypto world and how it actually is. And yeah, so thank you. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.